Hello, I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing duck or swan. This duck or swan is really easy to make because it only needs a half of paper, not a whole entire sheet. You want to learn how to fold it? Let's go. So we're going to start with our sheet of paper and we're going to fold it lengthwise. Just like that. Then instead of unfolding, we're gonna fold so this edge, first edge, goes here. So it's like this. You wanna flip it over and do that again, the other side.
Any ideas?
All right, then we're gonna choose a side and we're gonna unfold that. Then we're gonna fold it like this. So it was like this, so we unfold, then we take this edge and then fold it down here. We're gonna unfold, then do it again on this side. We're going to unfold this as well. And actually, no, we're going to keep it like that. And actually, we're going to unfold and fold along this side, so it's like this again. So then we're going to do that too here. Now we're going to unfold it from the middle and take this point all the way here. So from here to here, all right? And we're going to unfold, flip the model over, then fold along this edge again, the one we literally just made. So, boom. And we're going to unfold that, then fold the model back up together like that, like so. Now what we're going to do is we're sort of going to hold this edge down from this line to here. We're going to hold it down, and we're sort of going to fold this over onto the edge like this, and we're going to sort of flatten it. We're going to do that so that there's like this line here. So you see this line? There's like a sort of line here. We're going to fold over this and make this line meet this edge. Just like that. Then along this edge, we're going to flip this up. So it's somewhat like this. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. So we're going to hold this side, sort of press it over, but keep the other side down, and fold, 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 and flatten it when this edge, this line here, aligns with this. We're going to flatten it all out. We're going to fold this up. Okay, so now we're going to make this edge touch this edge. So it's like that. Unfold and make this edge touch this. So basically the same thing what we did earlier, like in the first 3 steps. Unfold, flip it over, do it again, go to the side, and boom. Unfold. And now what we're going to do is we're going to keep it folded this way, but what we're going to do is we're sort of gonna fold. So we have this fold here, and we're gonna fold it this way, and we're also gonna fold it this way. This may be a little confusing. And then, so you have like this triangle here, and you're gonna stick it down, gonna fold this edge, and take this, sort of keep flattening it out. Like that, and then sort of do that, and then do that. So you get this, but like, it's something like this thing here. So you sort of get like this. You sort of like flatten it out. So you sort of fold along these two edges and flatten this out and stick that over there. So this is confusing, I'll do it on the other end. So we're gonna take this, sort of go like this. We're gonna fold along this edge right here. And then what we're also gonna do is we're gonna fold on this edge right here at the same time. Keep doing it until they meet. And once they do, make sure that these two edges are aligned. Sort of fold them up and then press them overhead. So you should get something in the end like this. Now here comes a few tricky parts. So you're gonna choose a side. I'm gonna unfold the back a bit so it's like this. So it's like the triangle again. But then this time, we're gonna bring this, we're going to flip it over, and then we're gonna bring this so that, so you, like it's sort of a triangle here. We're gonna tug on this and sort of do that to the triangle, so it's not a triangle anymore. Let me show you on the other side. So we're gonna unfold this part, so now it's a triangle here. Wait, let me just fix my model a bit. Right there. So we sort of grab this, sort of twist it down, so then this flap comes flat. Sort of bring it out like this. Perfect. Now we're gonna start making the head. So we're gonna take this, sort of fold it up like that. Gonna unfold it, and then we're gonna take it from the inside. We're sort of gonna prop that out, sort of bend it so it's folded like this. And then we're gonna fold wherever we want, over here, wherever you want, and do it again on the other side. And try to make a better head than I did. Look. So then it's gonna be something like this, your head. Okay, so now we're gonna make the wings. So what we're gonna do is first make sure everything is aligned. And so basically what we do is we sort of flip this over here so it's like a huge triangle here, and then we flip that up again, and then we flip this back. But this time we need to like tuck in some of this here until this line and here meet up, right like that. Then we can do that. If you want more of a wing, you can pull out more from here. So we don't want exactly, we just want some room. And then we take this point and tuck it inside this flap. So then you have something like this. And the inside here, it's best if you can tuck it in here. And do it like that. Alright, so that's one of the wings, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to take this, flip it out to the big triangle, then we're going to go along here, tuck that in till this point here. We're going to flip it over, sort of do that, and we're going to keep pulling it along here. We're going to pull this edge down. We're going to fold it over, and we're going to tuck it in this pocket right here. And there you go. There's a good swan right there. Swan duck thing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.